अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप किस तरह अपनी गेम या ऐप के डाउनलोड्स इंक्रीज़ कर सकते हैं। और मैं यहाँ पे आपको लाइव अपने ऐप्स क्या स्टेटस मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि उसके डेली बेस पे क्या डाउनलोड्स हैं। और ऑर्गेनिकली माशाल्लाह हमारे ऐप्स के डाउनलोड्स आ रहे हैं एंड वी आर डूइंग वेरी वेल ऑन द स्टोर एंड इट्स नॉट टू गुड बट it's a valuable and it's a reasonable downloads that we are getting organically from the Play Store, and we are making a reasonable amount of money in return of the ads we are getting. We have in our games, we have monetized within the game. So let me show you that. Here you can see that June 25, you can see the graph is increasing and decreasing day and by day, but we made some change in the description and title, and we again got a high touch of downloads, and again we came down. I am observing the status of this app, that how it is getting better in the high rank or how it is getting in the down rank. And here you can see again it go jump, and again it is on, and here you can see gradually it is getting better. But okay, let me show you the other one. Here you can see the graph, how it is getting up and down. Here you can see, but now it is also getting better, again getting better organically, and it has got a rank in some countries also. This is superb. And here you can see the other one, the third one. It is also getting to better. एंड दैट्स इट गाइज। अगर आप अपनी गेम या ऐप के हवाले से किसी भी किस्म की हेल्प चाहते हैं, अगर आप ASO की सर्विस चाहते हैं, सो यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी। यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट मी थ्रू द Gmail, through the email. I'm gonna post this video on the YouTube channel. If you find it, you can contact me, and I can provide you the best service related to the ASO, and you can get the organic downloads of your games and apps without spending any extra money in AdWord. And here you can see the next one. We have published a new one. It is also getting better. Yes, that's great. That's great. And here is the translator app. It was also good, but now it has gone down. Again it got a jump, and again it is down. But I am observing the status of how it is, the behavior of the app, that how it is going by making the change, and by making the experiment in the game, and by making the custom store listing, and it is getting better. And now I'm observing. Finally I will let you know that which are the main things by using. You can boost your app, you can get more downloads, you can get more conversion uh, in the category of games and apps. That's really great. and I'm gonna write a blog on the ASO also for the Android and iOS, both both of the stores. I will cover in the ASO blog, and hope you will like it and you will get the basic knowledge and the entire knowledge and the complete knowledge to make the ASO, to do the ASO, to do the best ASO for your games and apps, and that will be a great journey. I hope so. If you really want to get the help, you can contact me through the Gmail, and I will put my other contacts option in the description, so you can have from there in the description, sorry. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know that how I'm working and how are my apps and games working on the store, but I have also other account of games, but I will let you know in some other time. But I think it's enough to show you that how I am getting the downloads from the Play Store organically. Yeah, that's great. That's great. That's great. And that's great. Okay, thank you. Please do like, watch other videos, and humbly small request is please do subscribe my channel. I am new actually here. If you will support me, make other I will make other stuff about ASO and the other things that which will help you to boost your games and apps. So please do subscribe my channel, and give me some hope to continue for the upcoming videos that will be really helpful for everyone who do not have the basic knowledge how to run your apps and games on the Play Store without spending any amount of money in the Google AdWords ads. So thank you so much watching the video, and I hope you will subscribe the channel to give me the hint that I should make the next videos for your help, and thank you so much.